How to enable auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can enable auto scroll on Instagram Reels. The process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to enable auto scroll on Instagram Reels, now if you're on iPhone, you can do it through within the app settings, the iPhone settings, right? I've already made a video on it, you can check on my channel for it. However, on Android device there is no such option within the device. You'll have to do it through the external application. To do so, you can get the auto tap or auto scroll application from the Play Store, so you can see automatic scroll. Now I have used this first one, the automatic scroll by One Music Player. You can install this and use it. You can use this and enable auto scroll once you open up the Reels, and it'll start scrolling automatically on Reels. So this is how you can enable auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.